Okay. Happy birthday, David. This is from Aunt Nene. What's on your package, David?
Hey, let me get it from this side. Your light's going to hit him better on this
Choo-choos.
side.
That's right. The camera's so small. Okay, how should you open it? Do you know how to do it, David?
Need help? Need help here.
He'll do
Dang
it.
it.
Come over here and help me.
Let him, that's the fun. Let him do it. Oh, Mom. Let him do it.
Good job.
It's like one of those harps that you got.
Come on, mosquito.
Keep going. Let's see what's in the box.
He's waiting for some approval, huh?
Right here?
Let her rip. There you go. Okay, open her up. How in the world is he going to get that ball?
We'll have Papa open it.
Can you help?
Grab this.
There, open her up.
Mom's fingers are sharper.
Open her up, Mr.
Well, it's
David.
open. I already opened it.
Oh.
Okay, pull her open. Here, reach in there and get a hold. Can you get a hold of her? Open her up.
Back, man. Don't put your head
Open
in
her
there.
up.
Oops, open it upside down.
Yeah, other way.
Other way. Doesn't matter.
What is that?
What is this, David?
Oh!
He doesn't
What is
care
this,
about
David?
that.
What's this? What is this, David? Did you get a guitar?
Now we have both.
You both
David,
got
can
a
you say
guitar,
thank
don't
you, Aunt
Hey,
Nene?
what is that?
David, can you say thank you, Aunt Nene?
Thank you.
Look at.
Yeah.
Can you look at the camera and say thank you?
What is
Here, we open it
Hey,
real
I
fast
see Aunt
and
Nene in the camera. There she is. Say thank you,
Thank you.
Aunt
What
Nene.
is this?
Here, can you play us a song real fast, David?
Oh, Elvis Blue Suede.
What is
Play us a song.
Nice looking one.
Good job,
Yeah.
David.
Smells good already.
Good job. Wow. What song is that? Jesus loves the little children.
That's the song the pastor sang today. Pastor Melching
Pastor Melissa.
Okay, tell her bye.
spoke today.
Mama.